this year, and we have, oh, it's open automatically, 6 floors here. This is Pohtolankatu 29 stickers A with 2 stickers, so we're gonna go to stickers B as well. The 25 is locked off in a bad, we're gonna get back to it some other time. But we have 2 more here. They were built in 1993 with Otis Series 1 fixtures in the Finland recipe. One needs 1340, capacity is 4 person, the with backgrounds, it will be inspected in 2023 when it's turning 30 years old. This is amazing.
Yeah.
And faster. So weird that here in Lialahti, in this district, or suburb of Tampere now, of course, the faster ones are the serious ones.
Yeah.
But those that are slower are also doubted.
Yeah.
And that's like every one of them.
Yeah.
Really strange. But Series 1 is even better.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do a second sun ride.
Yeah. Kiva inspektoida meidän vaikka on.
Yeah.
I doubt
Totally
it.
unnecessary.
Yeah.
And then it's too close to. I mean, too slow to close.
Yeah.
The Tampere light rail line is being extended here and towards Lintulampi and Niemenranta by 2024.
Yeah, that's